Hi, I'm Ishan from the LangChain Education team, and today I want to show you a new way of taking courses from LangChain Academy, which is through a coding agent configured with a custom tutor skill. This is LangChain Academy. For those who haven't already, I highly recommend checking it out. Here, you can take an assortment of courses on foundational topics to help build the skills and knowledge that you'll need to succeed with LangChain tools and frameworks. The courses are expertly authored and give you hands-on experience. So for example, we're in the Deep Agents course here in the system prompt lesson. Here you can learn about the system prompt, how it relates to deep agents, and you have ability to complete labs, a quiz, and a homework assignment. Today, I'm happy to show you a new way of learning the same LangChain Academy courses. We've developed a tutor that you can configure with a coding agent of your choice. The tutor will teach you the course materials and guide you through quizzes, labs, and homeworks. It will ask you questions and answer any questions you have while learning, and really work to solidify your understanding of the course concepts. Let me show you how to get started with it. So this is LCA Tutors, which is a repository that houses the tutors for LangChain Academy. As of recording, we only have support for the recently released Deep Agents course, but over time we will add support for more courses that are available at the Academy. To obtain the skill, you will need to have Node installed, which you can get from the nodejs.org website. Just click on this green button and it will get set up on your computer. For this demo, I'm going to show you how to get the Deep Agents tutor set up. So we'll click into this directory. And to obtain the skill, all we need to do is copy this command. And now let's jump to the terminal. During setup, you will be asked where you want the skill installed to. By default, it will install to this .agents/skills subdirectory, which the following coding agents have access to. As you can see, it's a handful: Codex, Cursor, Deep Agents, etc. Not every agent reads from this directory, so for those that don't, you will have to include it manually in this list down below. So as you can see, I've included Claude Code as one of the agents of choice. Now you can start up your favorite coding agent. I'm going to use LangChain's Deep Agents code, or decode. We just installed the Deep Agents tutor, so we can invoke it with /lca deep agents. Tutors for other courses will follow a similar naming convention. You can get the accurate name by looking at the LCA tutors repo. So let's run this. And here we can start to see some of the capabilities that the tutor has. You can have it teach you some new material, walk you through an elaborate quiz, answer questions, set up your environment, or something else. For now, let's have it teach me some material. We can have it teach us the entire course if we're just starting fresh, or if you're already halfway through a course, you can start from a specific lesson. So let's start from a specific lesson. And cool, it shows me like a course catalog of sorts. Let's start from the system prompt, the one that we were looking at before. The tutor is going to ask you a calibration question, which is going to gauge how often you want it to check in with you, whether that be fairly often, at the important moments, or if you want it to act more like a lecturer. For now, I'll just choose B. If you feel like the tutor is checking in with you too frequently or not as often, you can always tell it while you're learning. And there it goes, teaching me the course content. And as you can see, it teaches you a little bit and then asks you a question. So here's a good question. I'm going to try to respond to it and see what happens. Cool, so it seems like I got the answer correct. And as you're learning, you have the option to dig in deeper if you want to, or just continue with the lesson. So for now, let's just continue with the lesson. Once you complete the lesson, it'll move on to the quiz or the lab or whatever is next. For now, I'll just jump right ahead. And I'll do this just by asking the tutor to show me the menu. So this is pretty handy. You can do this at any time, and it'll go back to the original menu that it showed you at startup of the different capabilities that it has. And so let's just go through a quiz for the same module 1.4. So the quizzes are really cool because it'll ask you an assortment of multiple choice and open-ended questions This is a really good opportunity to ensure that you are fully understanding the concepts that you learn and get feedback immediately. So here I tried giving it an answer that was partially correct and partially incorrect, and the tutor is addressing that I got some of it correct, but also I have a misunderstanding. So now we're back at the lesson. As I mentioned before, you can change the teaching style of the tutor. So maybe I don't want it to ask me so many questions. Let me just tell it that. And now you can see that it's changed its behavior a little bit, giving you a lot more information and not really asking you as many questions. So that's the basics of how the tutor works. The link to the repo with the tutor and the setup instructions is available in the description, and you can get started with using it. And of course, hope you have fun while learning.